If you want to customize camera layout on the Xiaomi 17T or 17T Pro, then all you have to do is you need to open the camera app. And then let's say we're gonna work with the photo mode. At the top we have a couple of different features that we can use straight away. And what you can do is you can press and hold your finger on any of these shortcuts in order to start customizing the layout. So in here we have the menu that is of course accessible if you tap on this arrow at the top of the screen or swipe down on the camera preview. You can also press and hold your finger in here as well. And then you can decide what should be accessible here. So let's say I'm gonna add the HDR button in here. I'm gonna also include the live moments. I'm not sure why these are being removed. There we go. But I'm gonna remove lens and add it to this menu over here. Then I can just tap on this check, and there we go. Now I can easily toggle HDR in here in the photo mode if I want to, and the Google Lens is now hidden inside this menu. Of course, you can also customize for the video mode as well, so if you want to, you can add something that is hidden in the menu into the top panel. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.